In this video, you're gonna learn how to buy a cheap gear for backpacking under $200 for overnight camping in 2018. So further any ado, let's go. So what's up people, Andy here from Hiker Survival. Okay, before we start, I want to thank all of you guys, and I'm really grateful to have you on this channel and keep supporting me. Today I'm gonna do a gear review for my camping video I did a week ago. The people who are new to this channel, if you didn't watch it, you should definitely go and check out that video, link in the description. So I have this 2-person tent. It says first one, so it's made in China, and that's all guys, that's all. There's no description on this much of, and guys, you will not believe me, I bought this tent on discount and it was just $20. So if you see this, it got this top material here, which is really good quality. I didn't expect that. I used it 2 times, I think two or 3 times now. It's really legit guys, it's working good. Only the sack of this tent is, the stitches are coming off, and you can check out this tent online. And it got 2 poles. This is the setup how I did when I was in Armenia. Is really convenient. It doesn't take much space. It just slides down on the side of my backpack. So that's really cool guys. First one, go check out. Alright, so now we have these hand gloves. These one I bought it in Armenia, local market, and in Armenian currency it was around like 1500, which is less than $5, which is pretty crazy for these hand gloves. And they have a polyester lining inside. It's really thick, and also these gloves have this velcro strap, which is pretty awesome, and they were really warm. So now I have this torch, and the cool thing about this torch is it can literally, it just twists down and it becomes a handle, like a gun. So it's really nice, like you can be a sniper. It doesn't have any batteries, it's a rechargeable one. It has an inbuilt battery. It has a plug-in switch here on the top, and it has a light here at the bottom. Yeah, there you go. And this one in the front. So you have 2 features and this torch, which is pretty awesome. I think I paid $10 for this, and working pretty good, no issues at all, and it's more than it's worth guys. So I have a small flashlight here which always stays in my pocket, which is really handy, and it doesn't require any battery. It just needs your hands to recharge. And what I mean by that is it has a handle here, and you just need to turn, so it turns the kinetic energy into electrical, which charges the battery inside. So you just need to keep doing this. It feels so nice guys. Who don't want this? It's just so cute little flashlight. A flashlight again for $6. A spirit lamp for $5. And if you want to know how I use this, you can see my last video. I explain everything about this, so go check out that video. A magnesium bar with a fire starter, a steel canteen literally for $4. Then I have a first aid kit in which I have some painkillers, a multi-use gel, some band-aids, Vaseline, and then I have fish hooks with little bit of cord with it. So if I happen to come across a river or a pond where I can fish, so I can use this. And altogether it costs only $20. Then I have a waterproof case for my phone, GoPro, a selfie stick. Then I have my diary where I do all the planning. So the jacket I'm wearing now, let me just show you. Oh, wait a minute. That was much better, guys. This jacket I bought it for like $35. I'm using this from last 2 years. It's fantastic. It's been around everywhere with me, and inside that's insane. I think I picked up the lining inside, so it's really keeping the heat. It's a good jacket and I'm still using it, so it's just fantastic. There you go, guys, you have budget gear under $200 which is insanely cheap. I made this gear review to let you know, guys, it's not really hard to go camping and hiking and have those great experiences. You can still buy a gear like this and have those great memories. And that being said, and guys, I'm gonna turn it over to you. What gear you gonna buy first? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. And just click the subscribe button right here. Until then, keep hiking, keep exploring, live wild and live free. Hey guys, all yours, guys. Hey guys. It's 200. Peace.